Hi, my name is Nikhil Bharwat-Sharma. आप सभी का स्वागत है. This video is about implementation of rules. Eco Survey 2016 and 17 had proposed mandatory real-time publishing of citizen-facing laws. Knowledge of the law is a fundamental requirement for a functioning state. It means that citizens are aware of laws, rules, and procedures that they are expected to follow. This is why the ignorance of law is not accepted as a defense. This is based in turn on the assumption that citizens can easily find the relevant laws and rules. But alas, this is not an easy task in India. Every citizen and institution is expected to navigate many laws, rules and regulations, procedures and exemptions imposed by central, state and local governments. Moreover, these rules keep changing. Not only ordinary citizens, even government officials find it hard to keep pace with these changes. Yet one would think that in the digital age, it would be merely be a matter of searching on the internet. But it's not so. As an example, let's look at something as simple as traffic rules in India's capital New Delhi. As any listener can try out by themselves. It's not easy to find out the traffic rules in the national capital. It's not easy to figure out rules and their violations on the Delhi police website. Link Delhi police website over here. Worse, when we did find the document on the official website, it was actually misleading. An undated list provided on the traffic offences and penalties. I verified this claim by myself. Has list of 73 traffic offences and corresponding penalties. According to it, there is no penalty for some of the serious penalties in Delhi. For example, in this list of 73 offences on official website of Delhi Police, the fine for jumping red light, drunk driving and driving against authorized flow, penalty against all of them is 0. We have nothing against Delhi. But if Delhi is this, you can imagine the state of others. I want to highlight a paucity of basic information on the most commonly applied rules, like rules on drunk driving, driving against flow, etc. Fun statement. Supreme Court has repeatedly highlighted the need to access revised and updated laws. As is said, for natural justice to be applicable, law must be published first. For natural justice to take its place before law becomes operative, it must be published in such a way that it becomes accessible and acknowledged by all men on whom it is applied. Despite advent of new tech and amidst digital public infrastructure, we are yet to attain a comprehensive single platform of all the relevant laws and rules we are expected to follow. Though laws are published in various gazettes of the government, they are not in the format easily accessible to general public. Even when available, one has to hunt down a long list of updates and amendments. One existing initiative to solve this issue is India Code Portal, indiacode.nic.in. This portal is supposed to have all rules and regulations, laws and amendments, ordinance, notifications, statutes issued under a particular act. So a commendable effort, the portal falls short of expectations as it is not regularly updated with accompanying documents and states amendments to central acts. For example, it shows Central Motor Vehicle Rules 18th Amendment Rules of 2016, but not the 26th Amendment Rules 2021 under the Act. Other countries have used the digital platform to solve this pain point. In UK, one-stop source for accessing rules and laws are legislation.gov.uk. The website is the official home of legislations and the accompanying documents enacted in the UK dating as far as back as 1267, including Magna Carta to the present. Wow! This also includes statutory instruments and local acts where citizens can scroll through changes made over time, including the latest available version, original as enacted, and all the corresponding amendments. To end this asymmetry of information, the Economic Survey 2016 and 17 had suggested a Transparency of Rules Act, TORA. The proposed legislation would make it mandatory for all the ministries and departments to publish and update in real time all the citizen-facing laws, rules, regulations, procedures, exemptions and other necessary requirements on the respective website as well as portal like the India Code. But TORA is not just about making online portal like the India Code function effectively. It's also about giving it the legislative teeth, as all rules, regulations, forms and other essential requirements would be accessible on the department website and the unified portal. Most importantly, once a department or agency is considered TORA compliant, officials would not be allowed to impose rules or laws that are not explicitly published on the designated website. Demanding compliance to an unpublished rule would attract disciplinary action, laws, rules and regulations placed on websites, and the portal would be presented as an updated, unified and not as series of endless circulars. This portal and websites would clearly mention the date and time with a clear timestamp. This will help citizens to know from which point in time the rule came into existence and discourage post facto uploading of information by the officials. I think TORA will be a significant value addition to Digital India mission like that of Bheem UPI, IRCTC Rail Connect app and Digital Local etc., which aims to achieve digital access, enhance ease of living and reduce distance between governments and citizens. So please, next time you are voting for a democratic representative at any level, discuss this with them and what they will do about it before throwing away your precious vote, because your informed decision will become informed policy which will transform Bharat for better. Comment below share your views to discuss what are you going to do about it. And if you want to build a force for good community, do subscribe. No, I mean genuinely, please do subscribe. Bye.